Hello everyone, welcome to another market direction analysis video. We are currently at the reevaluation phase of the first monthly contract of this quarterly contract. At the beginning of the quarterly contract, I actually recorded a direction analysis video for the quarter, and you can already see the markings that we had this monthly target and this quarterly target. But before I could finish editing the video and post it on YouTube, interest rate decision came out and it forced the market down aggressively and went straight to the monthly targets. So the forecast in the video came to pass, so there was no need for me to post the video anymore. The following days we saw continuation to the downside straight to the quarterly target. In our previous video, we analyzed the reevaluation phase of the previous monthly contract where we expected this drop, and you can see it played out as expected, and then a bounce from the quarterly block back to the monthly block. You can clearly see that's exactly what happened. So right now we are at the midpoint of the monthly contract, which is our reevaluation phase, and we have already fulfilled the quarterly target, so all that is left is reprice. And looking into the previous half, we can see we have this unpicked heavy pending sell right here, and also we have this unpicked heavy pending buy right here. So those are our reprice targets. Let's mark that. So these are our reprice targets. We have a target above current market price, and we also have another one below. From the price action that we already have on ground, and also using the dealing range reversals, we expect a longer swing to the upside. So I'm currently expecting that price will come for the lower reprice target first, then we'll see a move back up to take the upper one, and then see a continuation to go retest the control block. So that is what I expect the market to do. But the best thing is to watch out for price and see which of these reprice targets will be taken first. Once that one is taken, we can now start looking to target the second one. If price decides to take the lower one first, we'll then look for buys to take the higher one, and also if price decides to go pick the upper one first, then we'll look for reversals to go pick the lower one. Also remember, this is a reprice based on heavy pending orders, so it means if we get a new heavy pending order, that will serve as a fulfillment of the reprice. So as we see price heading up right now, if we get a heavy buy, it means the lower reprice has been fulfilled. So it means this heavy pending buy here has been opened on this day manually, so we assume that is a reprice fulfillment. So all that is left is to continue up to go pick this price magnet right here. So let me just mark out what I expect. So I'll expect price to mitigate this heavy price magnet right here and reject, and give us maybe some kind of reversal pattern around here that we can now use to target the lower reprice target. And after that, we'll see a move back up to go target this upper one. And after the upper one is filled, we may see just a little retracement back down, and then we'll see a continuation move up to retest the quarterly block, from where we will now see a continuation to the downside. So this is what I'm expecting for this second half of the monthly contract. Remember, once inflation data is released, the institutions will start positioning for the next monthly contract, so that can influence price and destabilize this forecast. So the best thing is to just follow the forecast until inflation figure release date. After that day, you start managing your positions aggressively, because the institutions might change direction based on the fundamentals. We already know fundamentals are responsible for how the institutions inside the control block position themselves. So inflation is usually the last fundamental data that comes out before the opening of the new monthly contract. So that's it for this video. I'll see you guys on the next one. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel if you are yet to subscribe. Have a great day.